Water tastes so great, but I almost don't have any more. Water, water. How do you pronounce that word? Well, today we will learn. So we want to start with the W. W. Bring your lips together. You have to create this lip together movement. W, w, w. Now we go to the lax short A. Ah, ah, ah. Your tongue stays down, but quite in the back. Wah, wah. Now here's the difference. Many of my clients go into T, but in American English, it does not sound like T. It sounds more like a D. Wad, wad, wad. You want to feel a little bit of a vibration here. Wad, wad. Okay, and then the E is silent. Don't say the E, no E. We go right into the R. Okay, we can, and water, Notice there's a space between my teeth, my tongue's in the middle, my lips are open. Let's practice this together. DR sound, der, 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 der. WA sound, wah, 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 water, water, water. And then make that D fast, da, 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 da. Water, water. Can I have some water, please? You should drink 8 glasses of water. That water is so clean. Water, water. You try. How'd it go? Water. So no water, water. No, none of that. Water, water. Okay, drink some water. See you next time. Bye.